Class 12, Chapter 1, Introduction to Macroeconomics. இந்த பாடத்தில் மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். The branches of the subject of economics is wealth and welfare, production and consumption, demand and supply, micro and macro. இதில் சரியான விடை the branches of the subject of economics is micro and macro. Who coined the word macro? Adam Smith, J.M. Keynes, Ragnar Frisch, Karl Marx. Ragnar Frisch. Who is regarded as father of modern macroeconomics? Adam Smith, J.M. Keynes, Ragnar Frisch, Karl Marx. J.M. Keynes. Identify the other name for macroeconomics: price theory, income theory, market theory, micro theory. Income theory. Macroeconomics is a study of individuals, firms, a nation, aggregates. Indicate the contribution of J.M. Keynes to economics: wealth of nations, general theory, capital, public finance. General theory. A steady increase in general price level is termed as wholesale price index, business cycle, inflation, national income, inflation. Identify the necessity of economic policies to solve the basic problems, to overcome the obstacles, to achieve growth, all the above. Indicate the fundamental economic activities of an economy: production and distribution, production and exchange, production and consumption, production and marketing. Production and consumption. An economy consists of consumption sector, production sector, government sector, all the above. Identify the economic system where only private ownership of production exists: capitalist economy, socialist economy, globalist economy, mixed economy. Capitalistic economy. Economic system representing equality in distribution is capitalism, globalism, mixedism, socialism. Who is referred as father of capitalism? Adam Smith, Karl Marx, Thackeray, J.M. Keynes. Adam Smith. The country following capitalism is Russia, America, India, China. America. Identify the father of socialism: J.M. Keynes, Karl Marx, Adam Smith, Samuelson. Karl Marx. An economic system where the economic activities of a nation are done both by private and public together is termed as capitalistic economy, socialistic economy, globalistic economy, mixed economy. Quantity of commodity accumulated at a point of time is termed as production, stock, variable, flow. Stock. Identify the flow variable: money supply, assets, income, foreign exchange reserves. Income. Identify the sectors of a two-sector model: households and firms, private and public, internal and external, firms and government. Households and firms. The circular flow model that represents an open economy: two-sector model, three-sector model, four-sector model, all the above. Here, all the above is not a correct answer. Four-sector model.